Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change snooze length on alarm in itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And after that, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, in alarm option, okay, you can see the snooze length. And okay guys, the snooze length is set into 10 minutes. And now you can change the snooze length by clicking the snooze length on alarm option. And okay guys, the pop-up are show, and okay, now you can see the snooze length here, the option from 1 minute to 30 minutes. And okay guys, so I decide to change into 30 minutes. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the snooze length on alarm in my itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.